men are not higher than women and women are not higher than men. They're like treated as equal. And in voodoo, they see like sexual orientation differently than Christianity. Okay, so so welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video we are going to talk about voodoo. So voodoo is an African diasporic religion that started between like the 16th and 19th centuries in Haiti. So voodoo is like a mixture of West African religious beliefs, specifically the Yoruba culture and the Fon culture, now is known as Benin. So those West African cultures mixed with like the Roman Catholic and also the Tainos. So basically what happened is that at the time of the slave trade, so those people were taken in Africa in different cultures, in different tribes. So they had different beliefs. Okay, so they had different beliefs, and they encountered like the Roman Catholic beliefs and also the Tainos beliefs. The Tainos were the people that they met in settlement land, the settlement land that we now know as Haiti. So this is what formed the Haitian Voodoo. Okay, the people who are practicing voodoo are called voodooists or vaudouisants in French, and the priests in voodoo are called Hugan for male and Mabo for female. Okay, so the rituals that you have to undergo before becoming a priest is called Kazo. Now let's get deeper into their beliefs. A lot of voodooists, they don't really see voodoo as a religion, or they just don't want to accept it. They say it goes beyond religion because their beliefs are very unique from other religions in the world, and they say voodoo it's more like a way of life, a way of living. And however, there are some voodooists that have no problem calling it a religion. The same way their beliefs of God differ depends on who you are talking to, in voodoo. So some have like this idea of God as being a physical being, and the west of it, like the majority of it, they don't really see God as a physical being, but they see it as an energy form. And this energy is like everywhere. This energy is like in us, in the plants, in nature, in animals. It's like in everything. So they call this energy God or Holohum in their own language. So Holohum is considered their God. But however, Holohum is like the energy form in one, but it's also divided into many spirits that they are called Loa. They're called Loa or Loa. The rituals would take place in a voodoo temple called Peristil are more focused on the Loa. So they worship the Loa, they serve the Loa. However, a lot of voodooists would say that they don't really serve the Loa, but they use the law to do their own, benefit. They use the law, but they don't serve the law. So the laws, they are like divided into many groups depending on their characters, and the law are like very unique from each other. They have like their own taste, and they have like their own favorite color, favorite food, and favorite type of dance, and all those things are performed in a ritual to the Lord that you are talking to the Lord that you are trying to call. And there are like a lot of spirit possession in voodoo, because in mostly like every ceremony, like you have like to summon the spirit, summon the Lord to enter like a person. And sometimes like they bring advice, and sometimes they heal, to do what you want them to do. But you have like to offer them, special stuff. And in another video, we're gonna talk more about different laws and what they like, and what specific aspect of life that they are responsible for. So if you wanna have money, if you wanna be successful, there's a type of law that you wanna call for that. And if you are sick, there's a law that you wanna call for that. So each one have their own aspect of life that they take care of. All the spiritual beings are living in Guinea in voodoo. Like all the spiritual aspects in voodoo are taking place in Guinea. So what is Guinea? Guinea is like the spiritual world in voodoo. It's like a cosmic Africa. Yeah, it's like a spiritual Africa that where the spirits are. That's where the dead are, and the voodooists, they also believe in reincarnation. But there are some stuff and other beliefs that we're gonna talk more about in other videos, yeah, especially about the reincarnation part and other beliefs that they have. Me personally, what I like in voodoo is like how tolerant they are. In voodoo, men and women are equal. Like men are not higher than women, and women are not higher than men. They're like treated as equal. And in voodoo, they see like sexual orientation differently than Christianity. Okay, so I say Christianity because in Haiti, the two majors religion are Christianity and Voodoo. Okay, so that's why I compare it to Christianity. So in Voodoo, like they see sexual orientation differently. Okay, so they respect like if you're straight, bi, gay, or trans, or whatever, as long as you're not hurting anybody, or you're not raping anybody, they see it as normal. They respect that. So that's what I like about it, and I like how tolerant they are. Okay, and in voodoo, what I also admire is that they don't preach people. They don't have like this feeling of feeling like higher than anybody. Like they don't come to you and say you need to convert into voodoo. No, they don't do that. Like I don't know any voodooists that do that at all. And if you want to enter the religion, you're free to do so, and if not, it's okay. There are like different ways people become voodooist. So you're like either born into it or you are interested about it, so you get to know more and you become voodooist, or you claimed by a loi. So a loi may like you and wants you to serve him or her, or they want to serve you. Okay, the way you want to take it. So yeah, so I will talk more about it in another video, and I also will talk more about different other beliefs in voodoo and all the beautiful things and all the things that I find very hard. Like I will talk about every single thing in voodoo. If you want me to talk about something, you can comment it down below. And if you have like more information, information that you see that I didn't talk about in this video, you can comment it down below. And yeah, anything, any questions, anything you want to talk to me about it, you can talk to me, okay? Because yeah, we're gonna talk about voodoo, and we have like a lot of videos, fun videos, interesting videos coming for you guys. And thank you if you made it so far. Thank you. I suggest you to stay tuned with me. Okay, so click the subscribe button I upload. So don't forget to click the bell button so that when I upload a video you don't miss it. So thank you guys, and yeah, welcome to my channel. I'm